Good day, everyone. Good day, traders all over the world. I hope you are all well and you're taking care of yourselves. And as we have to take care of ourselves in all aspects of life, financially, emotionally, physically, psychologically, and in everything. So, just want to welcome you to another brand new video. Uh, that will be delivered by me, of course. My name is Njabulo, so my YouTube channel is Njabulo Right, and my Instagram is Njabulo RM, and on Telegram I have only one link. That will take you straight to my name is Njabulo SA, and that link does not take you to my mentorship. It take you to my personal Telegram. So when you get there, it will only be you and I who will be chatting there, not everyone else. Okay. So now, thank you so much. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate the time. I appreciate you taking your time to watch and hear how I trade. And then again, if you already subscribed, I thank you. I thank you a lot. And if you haven't, I'll advise you to do subscribe and hit that notify button. Share this information, especially this video, with others. Comment, like, and spread the word out there. Let other people find out what we found out. Because now here it is for free. So hence, I would like you to share this information with others for free as well. Okay. So now, what I did before I started with this video, I decided to make a trading package there on my PDFs and my videos that have its own price, and then my mentorship channel have its own fees. Okay, so now to know about all of that, you can hit me up on Telegram. There's a link in the description below. So now I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to show you something that I feel like I need to show. I've been observing a lot of people doing it in a wrong way, and something they've been I haven't seen it. I haven't seen a lot of people doing it. Not that I'm only the one doing it. I haven't seen many people do it. So I think this is the correct time to show you. All right, let's start then. There is something in trading. It's called liquidity. All right. There's something called um, liquidity. All right. So now again, in liquidity we have different kinds of liquidity. All right, liquidity. Right, I think this looks much better. This okay. No, no, it's fine. It's all liquidity. It's fine. Yeah. So there's what you call liquidity in trading. All right. So we have different types or kinds of liquidity, right? Of which some might say liquidity it's where the stops are, which is correct. I agree with you there. But how do you break it down? Some know this type of liquidity. I've seen this thing is trending everywhere now. They say um, your um, trend line is liquidity, right? I've seen something like this, and I heard a lot of people talking about this, and how they describe it is true according to how they trade. All right, and then some also, while we are still here, some say another liquidity is stop hand, stop hand liquidity, and so forth and so on, and many other types of liquidity or kinds of liquidity. So now in this liquidity, uh there is something that I want to show you today. If it blows your mind, then I'm happy, and if you've seen it before, then this is a revision. Everything happens for a reason in this planet Earth. then you're watching this video for you to refresh your mind. All right, so now there's something I want to show you. I'm quite sure that you heard about it. All right, it's called order block with imbalance. All right, abbreviated MOB. All right, abbreviated OBIMB. Yeah, like this. Order block with imbalance. Now, when you look at an order block with imbalance, we clearly need to see liquidity. That's all that it means in layman terms. We need to look at at the liquidity that is formed around or before or after the order block. All right, but in this instance, we focus only on order block with imbalance only. I'll only cover two topics here because of my time. I'll only cover two things, that is order block with imbalance or OBIMB, and the second thing that I'll cover here is point of reference. I am hearing myself very well. I said point of reference and not point of interest. So this is the thing that I'm saying, that I haven't heard a lot of people talking about it, and I've seen a lot of people marking it, but they might not be sure of what they are marking exactly. So now we'll talk about order block with imbalance. I want to focus much on that imbalance and not the order block, because I hope we all know what the order block is. And if you don't know what an order block is, please go back to search in my videos where I talk about strictly order block, or check any other person who talks about order blocks, because I'm not the only one who is sharing such information for free. There are a lot of people who are sharing. So now I want us today to talk about order block with imbalance and point of reference. Only those two. The rest of the stuff I won't touch them unless otherwise. Because information, if something is in you, giving is in me. So if ever I feel like I need to give you some stuff for free, so that might happen. I'm not saying will. I just said might happen. All right. All right. Now let's start. Let's start. We are now on H1. I don't like H1. Let's go to H4. Oh, all right. Yeah. Here's the thing I'm talking about. Right where we are here. We don't have to go back and see what happened. We'll do that when we want to do the reference. Okay. I said we'll talk about the order block with imbalance. What is an order block? Just to recap or to refresh your mind. Your order block is the last uh, opposite candle before the break of market structure. That's what we've been told, and that's what we know. But I want you to look at something. If we say another block is the last opposite candle before the break of market structure, okay, fine. Where is the order block located then? Now, let's say now we have this bearish move, then bullish move, and then the break of market structure happened here. All right, the break of market structure happened there, and then the last opposing candle is down here. All right, and then again this side was with this bearish move, then bullish move, then the break of market structure happened there, and then the opposite candle. Oops, what am I doing? Then the opposite candle, it's located here. Are you now telling me that we're expecting to see something like this? My market will drop, mitigate this order block, and then push up. And on the other side, the market will be pushed to here, mitigate this order block, and then pushes further up. As far as you know what is an order block. Hence today I said let's look at order block with imbalance. That might open some of our eyes. If we have a structure of something like this, now this is the last bullish candle before the break of this structure. This is what we know as an order block. But now look at this order block. What does it have above it? Or even below it for that matter. Now you might find out that there is a there's a candle here that have imbalance. I said we're talking about order block with imbalance. There's imbalance here, and then there's imbalance. Now, depending on how you were taught how to mark an imbalance, you will mark it as you were taught. Now, our imbalance is here, right? Imbalance is here, and now here, this here is our last bearish candle. Here we have an imbalance, and then we have another candle here. Where then are you going to take your trade? Are you going to take your trade from this order block because this is the last opposite candle, or are you going to take your trade here? Now, this is where the trick is at. This is where a lot of traders, including myself, because I'm also a trader, including myself, this is where we lost money by using that method of saying another block is the last opposite candle before the break of the market structure. All right. Now, you are correct about one thing here. One thing is for sure, this range that breaks the structure, it must give us an order block. It must give us an order block. Only if it is a normal order block and not any other tricky OB, right? So now, what is that tricky OB? We have normal order block, bearish. We have a breaker block, and then we have a base order block. If it is a normal order block, then surely it has to be in this range. All right. So now, if things are like this, if you want to place your buy on the retracement, you need to place your buy in this candle here. Now, note that this candle might also be a bullish candle depending on the colors that you use. I used the green and red. This might be a green candle also. But then, how is a green candle an order block in a bullish move? You might ask yourself that question now. Then I'll show it to you what I mean by that. Now let's come to this second structure. Now, if you find this as a last sell candle, last bearish candle before the break of this structure, and then find this base block here, and then there's imbalance here, and then here there's there's no imbalance all the way to here. But this is the last bearish candle. Where are you gonna take your trade? I don't want to rush to a live chat today because I want you to understand this thing. Where are you gonna take your trades if things are like this? Well, your trade, most of us, like a lot of us, will come here and say, okay, this is the last sell candle here, and the break of market structure here, definitely gonna buy here. Then you are wrong. What you'll see something like this. Price will come and then will react a little bit here, because please note this, another hint. Whenever there's an order block, there will always be a reaction. I've said it once, and I'm passing that reaction, and then price will come here and then give you some type of entry depending on how you were taught how to take your entry. Then take your entry and then reverse the market. This is likely to happen. In fact, this will happen unless otherwise this very same order block here become a breaker block. And how does this order block become a breaker block? We will see that by observing the market pushing all the way to take these lows here. All right, then break this here with a candle, not a wick. And then if this happens, then you must know that the reversal will be here. So instead of us buying, now we have to sell. Then this is a breaker block. However, still this range that violates this order block here, it might not have it might have an order block with imbalance somewhere here. So does this mean then that we have to take our sell here? Now the answer is no. Then the question is, where do we take our trade? Now our trade will be taken here. And why not here? You ask yourself now. Here in the time frame where you are, if you refine it to a lower time frame, you might find out that already the retest already happened. Now they push the price, then they create an imbalance here. All right, and then they leave that candle here. Then they take this liquidity on this low, on this lows here. All right, and then they reverse the market to here and then push it further down. And then now you might think, oh, okay, it means that this is an inducement, so price will still push up there. And then if you don't know what's an inducement, again, yeah, you still need some time in the market. You still need to learn a lot of things. So now this is likely to happen. Now, as as I was drawing these two possible scenarios here, I want to believe that you can already see what happened in this chart. When you go to the live chart, now you can already see what happened there. All right. Now I will erase everything and then we go to the live chart. Now this is the first subtopic of order block with imbalance, and then after this we'll deal with point of reference. Okay. Now let's start. All right. Yeah. Everything is out. Now let's deal with this chart that we are having now. We are not starting on a high time frame or on a lower time frame. We deal with it as it is, H4. Now we see a break of market structure here, a clean break of market structure here. This is a beautiful break of market structure, and then we see an immediate retest there. And then we have this huge volumes, yeah. We have this big, like very big bullish candle that broke the structure there. All right. Now we have a retest here. But why a retest here, not down here? Then you see price took all the liquidity that's resting down there. Let me quickly, as I said, I wanted to share only two things, but some things when they come up, I might be merciful enough to share with you. Why we have a retest here and then a break here is simply because this is a failure of market structure, right? This a failure of market structure. So this is the high in that failure of the market structure. So we know by now that this high on the failure of market structure is where the retest will be, and then price will move up from there. All right. Now I'm not dealing with that. Let's come to this candle here. Now this candle is a green candle also. Here is where the trick is at. Now this is a green candle. Now we're in a bullish move. How do I use a green candle as an order block in a bullish move if my bullish candles are green? Am I crazy or what? No, I'm not. Now order block with imbalance. Remember that's the topic. So now this imbalance here. I don't know how you were shown how to draw imbalance, but let me show you how to draw imbalance. Here, from here all the way to here. This is an imbalance. This is an imbalance which needs to be balanced. Price is not balanced. The market is not balanced. It's not balanced there. So the price in this candle is not balanced at all. So it needs to be balanced. All right. So now what do we see? We see price pushed all the way to this candle here. What did I say previously? I said there will be what? There will be a reaction in an order block. And then where is the reaction in Jabulo now? That the only thing we see here it's only bearish candles. Remember this is H4.